We're here today with Catherine from the Anxiety Tracker app. Catherine, let's jump straight into it. Before you found GrowthInger, what was the biggest bottleneck you were facing with your user acquisition?
Honestly, it was profitability.
Yeah.
We tried running ads internally, and we even hired other agencies, but nobody had the expertise to make ASA or Facebook ads actually work. You guys came in, fixed the dynamic segmentation, and monitored it daily.
That's awesome to hear. But I'm curious, having worked with those other agencies, what specifically stood out about the GrowthInger approach?
3 things. First, the deep MMP analytics setup. We finally understood what was working.
Second, the unlimited creatives. Facebook needs volume, and I've never seen another agency offer that. And third, the ASO work.
Thanks, Catherine. And for anyone watching, if you want to scale your app profitably with results like this, let's talk. Reach out to us at info@growthinger.com.